Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text on Snapseed apps. Let's get started. First, open your Snapseed apps and add new photo that you want to add text. And then in here, you can see tools at the bottom, this one. Click on the tools. Okay, click on the tools, and in here you can click on the text, this one. Click on it, and in here you can see many template text from Snapseed. You can choose everything you like. Maybe I wanna choose this this one. So in here, if you wanna change this tag, you just click double tap and change Tutorial Millennial like this. After this, you can click OK in here. Click OK, and then you can adjust the text. In here you can change the color. Click on it like this, and then you can change this one. This is for the opacity, and then you can change for this one. Yeah, this is the template text. Okay, after this you can adjust the position like this, and then click check icon at the bottom, this one. Click on it and finish. So that's how to add text on Snapseed apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.